What up, everybody? It is your boy back with another, well, not another, I can't say another because this is my first video, but I am here with MX versus ATV live. So I've already started, as you can see down low, level 6. I am at a rookie level. So if you would sit back, enjoy the show, and eat some popcorn. Yeah, I'll do one race per video, so it won't be too long. I've got first on both these. On the short track, I got third on this, and ninth on this. I suck at the short tracks, as you can see. I'm at a rookie level, but I'm playing on amateur. So as I said before, sit back and enjoy the show. Okay, everybody, we are at the loading screen, and pretty cool. It tells you like about jumping every time you go on the loading screen. And we're off. We're starting out in 5th. We're going to 2nd. 2nd place. Oh God, what a hit. Now we're in 6th. Guys in 4th. In 5th now. What place are we in? We're in like 30 places at once. Jeez. 4th. Tara Giger or something. I don't know what that is. She's in front of us in 3rd, and we are slowing down for no apparent reason. Oh, what was that? 3rd person waiting for me? The 2nd's just getting outrun. Ooh, now we're in 2nd. Following up 1st. Guys, everybody just, my mic fell. My mic. You probably can't hear me as well as you could because my mic fell. And I'm not picking it up right now. I'm in 3rd and I'm not giving that up. Oh God, I went the wrong way. Now we're in 4th. Oh no. Oh no. So we're doing wheelie down the hill. In 5th, following up 4th, we're trailing. Oh God. We're trailing Cody Gilmore. He's trailing us now. Now we're in 3rd, 4th, 3rd, close to 2nd. Cody Seeley or something. Oh, now we're in 2nd. First place just jumped this. Cody Seeley. Cole Seeley. In front of us. 4th place isn't that far behind us, guys. I'm scared. I don't want to go back to fourth. What did I just do? Now I'm in eighth. Austin Stoop went from third to eighth. How is that possible? Oh no! Oh no! Oh! We're in second now. Third to eighth to second. We're trailing first, of course, obviously. Third place. Oh, we crashed. Now we're in third place. At least we're still in third and not like 60th or 12th. Because you can only go up to 12. So in third place on the final lap. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not the winner. Or a winner. I just seen first pass by. We're not that far away. Only 10 seconds actually. Only, what am I talking about? That's pretty freaking far away. We're not that far from second. But we are trailing and we're gonna finish third or below. We're not gonna finish second. Oh, we might. Oh, am I jinxing myself? Yes, I am. We're definitely not finishing first though. Oh, we might. Am I jinxing myself? No, I'm not. We might finish second. Okay. Sorry you guys couldn't hear me so well, but here he is the winner. Austin Stoop is second, and aka us. So guys, that was pretty freaking close. We lapped some person. That's why it was so close. And guys, have a good day. Sorry you couldn't hear me. My mic dropped. Everybody, I am signing out.